travelled from London. I've had the most amazing 3 days. I've noticed a big shift in cleansing myself and cleansing my karmic locks. I've gone through some really powerful processes. The ones that have really stood out for me are the attunement processes, working with MAPA, meditation. It was submerged in this beautiful energy. Key takeaways are working on my intentions, my actions, and really getting to the core of what knowledge I need to. And by using these tools and techniques, it's only just going to improve my life. This beautiful part has been as Tarannum has held this wonderful space. She's really guided us. She's given some clarity. She's been really connecting with the group in such an amazing way. So I truly recommend anyone to go through this life-changing experience, and I just encourage you to really just be on this journey. Thank you.